Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can quit the Snapchat app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also be sure to put your likes below the video and write comments after watching. So let's get into this topic with you and me. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Then on the top left, tap on your Bitmoji to go to your Snapchat settings. Now at the top, tap on the gear. And here, in the settings, scroll down to the very bottom. You can see an option here, Logout. Click on it. Next, confirm your actions. As you can see, right away you are out of your Snapchat page. But friends, the thing is, if I click on Sign In Now, I'll be logged into the Snapchat app without entering any password. If you want to completely log out of your page, leave your page. Then you'll have to click Delete Account. This will leave your Snapchat page. In order to log in next time, you'll need to enter your full details and confirm that it's really you. Friends, this is the quick, simple way you can log out of Snapchat app. Hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye everyone.